debate. What is a debate, or how we can define a debate? Let us see. A debate is a type of argument with certain rule. A debate is a form of argument with certain rules. Typically, in a debate, two teams are presented a resolution or topic that will be discussed. Each team is given specific limited time. Now see here, as I told you, debate is a form of argument with certain rules in it. Now moreover, a debate consists of two teams which will be given or presented with a resolution or topic. There will be a topic on which both the team or the team members, they will discuss, and each team will be given specific limited time to come up with new points. Now, how that debate is taken place, let's see. The goal is to come up with good ideas and thoughts in a short amount of time. Now, what is the purpose? What is the goal of this debate? Debate helps us to come up with good ideas, new ideas, viewpoints and thoughts in a limited or stipulated time. Then, in a debate, one team will argue in favor, while the other team argue in opposition or against. Now here is a condition that one team that will be arguing on the topic in the favor, that means pro. It will speak in the favor of that topic, while the other team that will argue against the topic. So this is the condition. One team that will argue always in the favor, while the other team that will argue against the topic. And after that, a judge or panel of judges will be assigned to record the points and declare the winner. Now this is the judgmental part of debate, that a judge or a panel of judges will be assigned to record the points which were given by the team members of both teams, and finally the winner is declared by the panel of judge or judges. Now this is a typical form of debate. It may vary or it may change from area to area. It may change. So this is a typical form of debate. Now let's move on to the advantages of debate. What advantages we will get by participating in a debate? As a student, I'm speaking about, as a student, what will be the advantages that we will gain by participating in debate? Let's see. Point number 1. By participating in debate, student will learn art of persuasion. Student will learn the art of persuasion. That means we will persuade the others. This is an art. This is an art of persuasion. Let's move on to the second point. It increases students' academic performance. Believe it or not, it increases the academic performance of the students. Let's move on to the third point. It improves the art of public speaking and provide exposure to put one's viewpoint. The third point is very important. It will improve the public speaking skill of an individual. Many are afraid of speaking publicly in front of huge audience. We are not able to speak. So, by participating in debate, one can learn the art or the skill of public speaking because it offers an exposure to put our viewpoints regarding any topic. So, it will improve the art of public speaking, providing an exposure to put our viewpoints in front of the group, in front of the panel of judges. Let's see the point number 4. It helps to improve multi-dimensional thinking skill and promote thought processing among students. Now see, it improves multi-dimensional thinking skill. Not only a student or an individual would think about one side of the topic, he or she will be thinking in multi-dimensional angle. That means the pros and cons of the topic. So it will improve multi-dimensional thinking skill. It promotes thought processing of an individual. It is a very, important skill. Thought processing. So it will promote multi-dimensional thinking skill and thought processing among students. Now let's see the last one. It helps to overcome obstacles like fear, phobia, and hesitation. It helps to overcome the obstructions or the obstacles or the impediments like fear, phobia, and hesitation. Many students, they are very afraid to express their viewpoints. They are very afraid before the audience. So, if we take part in the debate, definitely we will overcome the obstacles like fear, phobia, a kind of stage phobia, a kind of fear of audience, and hesitation. Many, they knew the points, but they hesitate to speak. So, participating in a debate will help you to overcome fear, phobia, and hesitation. So, these are the advantages of debate. Now, let us see the format of debate. Let's see how we are going to prepare or present a good debate. As I told you that debate is a form of argument with certain rules. Now we will see how we are going to write or prepare or present a good debate. Now the format or the layout of the debate is already shown on the board. You can see that at the first center, what we will write the topic of debate. The topic of debate will be written on the top center of the page. Now, beneath that, you will write for the motion. That means you are in the favor of the topic. For the motion, that means you are in the favor of topic. You agree with the topic. And second, against the motion. That means you don't agree with the topic. You disagree with the topic. You are against the topic. Now this comes in cross, this comes in cause. Now see, most important thing, you are not supposed to write for the motion and against the motion at the same time. That means you will not attempt the both, for the motion or against the motion. You will attempt any one out of this. That means if you agree with the topic, you are in the favor of topic, then you will write for the motion. And then you will write for the motion. If you do not agree with the topic, you are against the topic, then you will write against the motion. Okay? So, it depends on your criteria, it depends on your opinion, which one to follow, for the motion or against the motion. Only one will be attempted by you. Only one will be attempted here, especially when we are writing a debate, when we are writing the content of the debate. Now let's move on to the paragraph. First paragraph, introductory paragraph. Okay, this will be your introductory paragraph that will describe about yourself, about the topic, about the favor and against. That means you will introduce yourself. I'm so and so. Today's topic for my debate is this, and I'm in the favor of this topic, or I am against the topic. So this is called introductory paragraph that will describe yourself, describe the topic, describe if you are in the favor or the against topic, or against the topic. So this is called the introductory paragraph. Now the most important paragraph is the second paragraph. Now the most important paragraph is the second paragraph, in which you will state why you are in the favor of the topic or why you are against the topic. Okay? So both will not be attempted at one time. If you are in the favor of the topic for the motion, okay, you have to describe why you are in the favor of the topic. If you are against the motion, then you have to explain why you are against the topic. Now, explaining will include these value points. Okay? What are they? Herein include valid points, self-made opinion, idea, thoughts that support your motion, favor or against. Then you can make the use of data or statistics, or you can get the report of any survey. That will be very solid evidence, that will be very solid proof in order to prove why you are are in the favor of the topic or why you are against the topic. Then comes the conclusion. Now listen carefully. Valid points. You have to develop valid points. That means it should be valid, it should be accurate points that would support your topic. Then self-made opinion, you can express your own opinion. Then ideas and thoughts that would support your motion. Then you can use the data, statistics or the reports of any survey that will prove your topic. Finally, lead the topic to the conclusion. You can, prove your topic, or you can give an appeal or suggestion at the end in the conclusion. It is therefore why you are against the topic or why you are in the favor of the topic. Now this is the layout or the format of